What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Adriana and welcome to Audula's Ganja. If you couldn't tell by my outfit, today's video is going to be an unboxing and review of the Hipdot and My Chemical Romance collection. I am so excited I was able to get my hands on one of these. I know the launch was a little messy and unorganized, but I don't want to get into all that drama right now. I just want to focus on what's inside this box and test everything out. So if you want to hang out and maybe smoke a little ganja with me, then just keep watching. It took about a week for the box to get here. I don't know what kind of shipping it was because it was free shipping over $50, so I was just kind of in a hurry to purchase it. I did have a coupon code from Hipdot, so I was able to save like $5 or $6, but I think I'm just gonna open it up. I don't really have the confidence that I will get the signed one because it was only 3 out of how many boxes they had, so I feel like that's not really a good chance that I would get the signed one, but let's just open it up. I don't even know if you can see it. Yeah, you can. Ooh, okay. I can already tell it's not the signed one. You guys ready? Mm-hmm. Oh my god, it's so pretty in person. I'm not gonna lie. It honestly reminds me of the 3 Cheers for Sweet Revenge album. I don't even know how to open this like this. Okay. So on the box, it has Hipdot times My Chemical Romance. And oh my goodness. I'm almost afraid to like grab everything in this box, but we just gotta do it. We just gotta do it. I'm glad the box itself is pretty sturdy and it's easy to grab everything because they probably thought that everyone was gonna keep the packaging, and they're right because this packaging is just stunning. And to be honest, I just wanna have like the whole collection, even the boxes itself, just still in here. I'm afraid to even just use the eyeshadows in this box because I just don't want to like mess it up. So in this box you get a double-ended eye brush, a double-ended liquid eyeliner in black. Damn, how do you get this shit out? You also get the 3 Cheers for Sweet Revenge pressed pigment palette, and this is how the palette looks. It's a 9-pan eyeshadow palette, and these are the shades. I'm hoping that this is able to catch the details on the pan. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the swatches and the names of the shades. So let's go ahead and do that. I think for my first look, I'm going to do a Gerard Way inspired makeup look. There was one look he used to do quite often when they used to tour back in the day. All it was like a red smoky eye on top. Then he would smoke out some brown eyeshadow on the bottom. So I think I'm going to take some inspiration from that, but make it my own style. So let's go ahead and start with the shade Starless Eyes. And it's this dark red shade here. Just gonna tap off the excess. Oh shit, I almost forgot to prep my eyes. Oh my god. This eyeshadow look that he does is pretty, oh shit. Oh my god. Ooh. What I was saying. This eyeshadow, no.
I can't even focus right now because that fucking pigmentation.
The eyeshadow look that he normally does really isn't too crazy. So I'm gonna give you guys a couple more makeup looks. That way I can test out the whole palette. Oh my god, I thought I wasn't recording for a second. I'm about to lose my shit. I'm just following along my eye socket. By the way, my sister actually bought me these earrings. I'll list the business down below. I know she got them off Etsy. Then using this fluffy brush to blend out the red eyeshadow. I'm gonna blend that deeper red with this lighter red here. This is called Pitchfork Red. I'm just packing that deeper red on the rest of my eyelid. For the bottom eyeshadow, I'm gonna start with this deep brown shade called All the Ghosts. And just putting that right on the edge of my eye. And then just flicking that out too. Then using that lighter brown to blend out that first shade. Using this white shade called Flock of Doves to highlight my brow bone. Oh, damn, that's pigmented. I do want to say that even though that the pans have a bit of fallout, I don't notice any fallout on my face, which is pretty good. Either way, if it does, I know, you know, which precautions to take, and I'll just put powder on my face. But if you're one to worry, then for me, it doesn't have any fallout. For this eyeshadow look, I think I'm gonna use a different shade out of the palette for my inner corners. And I'm just gonna go in with this highlighter palette by Sephora. So I kind of got a little too excited and forgot to test this brush out. So for my next look, I'll just go ahead and use it. And I think I'm satisfied with this eyeshadow look. So let's move on with the liquid liner. Okay, this is how the liquid liner looks. This side is like a bit flat. And then you have just the regular winged on the other side. I feel like I'm gonna start with the other side first to just get the base layer down. So this is my eyeliner. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't a big fan of the formula because it just dried way too quickly and it was hard to get that sharp straight edge. I ended up going in with my normal basic eyeliner, which is this Essence eyeliner. It's like $2 or $3.99, but it works pretty well. I like it for the cost of it. Let's just move on with mascara and lashes. Let's do a quick transition. I decided to go in with a red lipstick to complete this look, and honestly, I am living for it. And I feel like I can finally give you my thoughts and opinions of this collection. Starting off with my favorite thing out of the collection, this eyeshadow palette is just everything. I just honestly appreciate all the details that they put into this palette, from the stamps on the eyeshadows to the lyrics that they put into the eyeshadow names, even the color story. I feel like you can get a glimpse of each album just in this 9 eyeshadow palette. One thing I will say is that I do wish they either came out with a second palette that was a lot bigger, or at least made this one a tad bit bigger. 9 shades isn't too bad, but I mean, like 12 would have been better, you know what I'm saying? So gives me a little bit more variety on what to do. I know these shades look kind of basic, or at least something that I have in my collection, but honestly, whether I use the shades or not, I'm just glad I was able to purchase this because it's definitely gonna be in my display area. The formula of the eyeshadows itself, very pigmented, and they do blend nicely. I don't have an eyeshadow palette from Hipdot, but I do have a glitter palette from them, and this is their Pride glitter palette. Even just with this packaging too, it's pretty sturdy. It comes with like a little stand thingy, but the glitters itself are actually like really pigmented. If you are in the market of any like glitter palette or something, then definitely check their glitter palettes out. One of the things I was kind of worried about was how the packaging was, like if it was going to be cheap or not, or if they put some thought into it. And obviously, as you can tell, I feel like they put some pretty good thought into it. The pin I thought was pretty cool because it's a pin. Some people collect pins. I happen to not collect pins, but I'm still gonna keep this. Even though I forgot to try this out, I feel like these would make pretty good eyeshadow brushes. The only thing I will say I'm not too happy about is the liquid liner, because like I said before, the formula kept drying out quickly and it was taking off my eyeshadow. I wouldn't say it's the best formula. I know there's some better ones out there. And then also too, it does streak a little bit, but honestly, whether this is good or not, I would have gotten it either way because of the packaging. All right, guys, that is it for this video. I am going to do a couple more looks using this palette, but it's going to be in a separate video. That way this video isn't way too long. But anyways, just go ahead and check out my other videos. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please be sure you are. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.